In this video, we will be explaining on outdoor unit installation. Install the outdoor unit where there is enough space for ventilation. Otherwise, the unit may not operate properly. If there is an obstacle on the blowout side, install a wind direction guide to prevent air short circuit. Avoid areas that has heat sources, exhaust fans, and etc. Avoid damp, humid, or uneven surfaces, as well as non-ventilated indoor location. You should always choose a place that is well ventilated. Allow enough room around the unit for airflow and maintenance. Prepare a passage and service space for maintenance of the unit. Please refer to the technical data of each unit for the required space. Use 4 M12 or similar anchor bolts to secure the unit to the ground. Meanwhile, the vibration insulator should be kept secure to satisfy the width and depth of 100 mm for the plate legs. For fixing the installation, use a washer that is larger than the hole size. Be sure to use the same thickness of all vibration insulators. Make adjustments so that all plate legs will be balanced with the same height. Do not allow any wiring or tubing within 300 mm of the front panel. This space is needed as a servicing space for the compressor. Next, ensure a base height of 100 mm or more so that drainage water does not accumulate and freeze around the bottom of the unit. The direction of the tubing and electrical wiring should be from the front of the outdoor unit. The tubing can be routed out either from the front or bottom. The connecting valve is contained inside the unit. You are required to remove the screws of the front panel. If the tubing is routed out from the front, cut out the slit. Remove the 3 screws and avoid damaging the tubing cover. If the tubing is routed out from the bottom, use cutting pliers or a similar tool to cut out the tubing outlet slit from the tubing cover. Please refer to the instruction booklet before your installation.
Panasonic.